Guleed, maxaa ku daari adiga?
gabar gaal oo caddaan ah guriga noo keenaysa.
What did he say?
He say, why you bring a white girl in the house?
Galate, that's not a nice thing to say.
Okay, say ashhadu an la ilaha.
What's that supposed to mean?
I have to make you Muslim now because we are all Muslim.
Okay, I think I should leave now.
Wait, Nurse Jackie. What are you doing, Guleed? This is not the way to treat a guest.
Gel, ask her horta ayada ma gudan tahay.
Sorry, what is he saying?
War u sheeg, Gel.
He asked if you are cut.
Cut? What do you mean?
Cut down there.
Are you referring to FGM? Oh my god. Did you know you could go to jail for saying this?
It is not عيب, okay? It is our culture.
Guleed, naga jooji waxaas. It is not our dhaqan. It is ancient Egyptian culture. Somalis, stop it now.
That's right. This better be stopped.
Why do we stop?
Because the knife is not sharp anymore and the cutting part becomes strong. Right, Nurse Jackie?
I guess so. Power to the women.
Okay, weydii horta hawarteed ma gudan tahay.
War jooji aan ku yiri sheekadan. Wallahi, they will send you back home.
What is he saying now?
No, don't worry.
No, tell me.
He said if your mom is,
Oh my god. You know what? I can't stay here.
Oh, no, sorry, Nurse Jackie.
I don't care. I'm calling the cops.
Oh, cops, no, please. This is our culture.
Yes, please, Jackie, don't go.
Boqol mar aan kuu sheeg. Don't trust gaaladan.
Ada afka kafalan. Keep your mouth shut. What are you saying? Si fiican hada alwaryaa.
Will you tell me to keep my mouth shut?
Doqon baa tahay dabaalyahow. Naga tag.
Police are coming to send us back home.
Not me, only you.
Allah ba'aye. Waryaa Gel, saaxiibta la hadal no, please.
Okay, I call her. Hello, Nurse Jackie.
Hi, Gail.
I am very sorry about my friend.
Oh, that's okay. I got over it. I'm not gonna call the cops. Don't worry.
No, please call the police.
But why?
This Guleed guy is crazy. He said he will do cut for you, your mom, and your grandmother.
Oh my god.
Waryaa Gel, did you talk to Nurse Jackie?
Yes.
What she said?
She said since you like cut too much, she already arranged for you.
Arrange what?
In laga gooyo.
No. Wallahi marawi illa igoyo.
In this country, they cut for the nimanka. It's diyari. Power to the woman.
Ilahi o badbaadi. Ilahi o qawm lut hay digin. Maxaa sameena hada? Allah ba'aye. If you don't like our videos, please give us a beautiful thumbs down.
And leave us the best negative comments. Doan idinku darena.